If you own a P80 Volvo, you probably know how bad these fluted headlamps are. Light output is terrible, and in my case on the passenger side one, the chrome is all flaking off, and it's a pretty common problem across all P80 lamps. And to make things worse, finding the jeweled headlamps from the C70 is pretty tough as well, and if you want to buy them new, they're really expensive. I actually found the headlamps on Instagram from a page called Nord Carolina. He resells used Volvo parts, and the headlamps aren't showpieces, but I don't need them to be. The car's not in perfect shape, and I'm not looking for it to be, so they were perfect headlamps for the perfect price. Unfortunately, that same seller didn't have any corners, so it took me some time on eBay to source them, and I had to order them from 2 different places, but I ended up finally sourcing the entire set and being able to swap them all out. If you've got some extra cash lying around and the time to source these, I highly suggest replacing them because they're so easy to do and make such a huge difference. A small screwdriver depresses the tab on this corner lamp and you just pull it straight out. There is a tab holding it to the fender, so make sure that you don't pull it sideways and break that tab. You want to pull it straight out. You can see that small hole in the fender there when I pull the lamp away. On the headlamp itself, it's just 3 10mm bolts holding it on, 2 on the inboard side and 1 on the outboard side. There are 2 things I ran into that I think are worth mentioning. The first is that the headlamps use different bulb types. So the C70, the jeweled headlamps, use a 9005 bulb for the high beam and an H11 for the low beam. The V70 lights use an H7 for both. I didn't know this prior to replacing the lights, and I also didn't check them before I fully installed them and went to go drive the car. So when the lights were out and then I couldn't use the old bulbs and I had to go get new bulbs, you can see where I'm going with this and why I'm letting you know. The second item is a little bit bigger of a deal. Inside the C70 lamps there's some wiring, and all of the insulation on the wiring was cracked and falling off, and some of the wires were actually crossing each other. I don't have enough experience with these lamps to know if it happens on every single one, but seeing as these cars are 20 plus years old, I would think that it's probably a pretty common problem. I noticed the issue when I took the backs off to replace the bulbs. It wasn't a huge problem. I was able to actually fix it pretty quickly, and with just spare wiring I had around the garage. I wouldn't let this discourage you, but I would absolutely check out the lights before you install them just to make sure you're not going to blow any bulbs or fuses continuously and not know why. Even with the wiring hang-up, I would absolutely do this again and suggest anyone with these P80 cars do it. As you can see, aesthetically they look great, and performance-wise, so much better than a peeling reflector housing with the fluted glass lenses. I hope you guys are enjoying the Volvo content as much as I enjoy owning the car. If you have any questions or video requests, leave it in the comments, and I'll leave some links in the description as to where I found the lamps, the eBay sellers, and the Instagram page. Thanks everybody!